So, it's Sunday, and yeah, time to record another video, I guess. So, let's roll this intro, and let's get onto it. So, today is a bit of a follow-up video from a one I did like a few weeks ago of my factory customs that I got for like £3 if you guys watched that video. But yeah, today is a video of all my current factory customs in my collection. I don't own that many because factory customs are pointless, because what happens if they get released? I mean, yes, most of them won't get released, but then again, most of them could get released, if you guys know what I mean. That's why I don't tend to buy them. But some of them are actually pretty cool and are worth to buy in your collection, even if you get them for like £5 or £10 from China. And yes, all these are from China. They are all not fake because they're still released. They're just backdoor releases that they got from a Mattel factory and just sold them on, I guess. So yeah, first of all, I'm going to talk about my ones that I got from Planes, and this is Vanderbilt. If you do not know, this is a factory custom. I paid £15 or £21, I think, and thanks to Carburetor County Productions for sending me a link to buy one of these, because this is like the extremely rare Canadian exclusive plane. It's actually in really good condition. You could tell that it's a factory custom because there's no Chinese base code, but yep, it's pretty cool. That's my only plane factory custom that I got. It looks very familiar to the actual plane, of course, from the release, but because it's factory custom, it's not actually a Mattel. It's made by Mattel still, but you guys get what I mean. It's just a factory custom. It's not released in the packaging. It's just a spare one they had in the back factory. Yeah, so there's Vanderbilt. So I don't know where to start off with, I guess, because this is going to be a very long video, so you guys get your popcorn. But yeah, I guess we can start off with Cars 1, or a few of them, anyways. I did review this one. This is a factory custom, I guess, Piston Cup Hudson Hornet crew chief from Cars 2. But in the Cars 1, yeah. This is why I don't buy factory customs, because they're so inaccurate. Look, it's got the Hudson Hornet Piston Cup logo there, which is a scene in Cars 2, and just inaccurate. And I don't know why it's got base code. Maybe it was scheduled to be released, but got cancelled. I mean, I guess it was, but literally Cars 2 decals on a Cars 1 crew chief. Makes sense. Check out my review on that. I'll make sure you just check on it. One of my favourite ones that I actually got is this red. It's actually a deluxe. I think it's like £9 or £11 on eBay. Pretty cool. It's a Rusty's Racing Centre red. You can see the only detail that's problem with it is the paint smudge there. That's maybe why it got declined, or they never made it. Gold base, which I do like. Check out my review on this. I did review this red too. Looks pretty cool. Two from, I think, 2020, or yeah, 2020, I think. We've got two Ramones, which are both factory customs. They're both hydraulic. Got hydraulic intro Ramone, which I believe was cancelled for 2020. This isn't the cancelled version, obviously, though, because this is the factory custom in no base code. You know what I mean? But I think it was cancelled. One of my favourites, actually. I do like it. It does roll pretty well. And we also got the other fan favourites, Ramone, as well. Hydraulic. Pretty sweet. Cruz Moraes 51. Sweet. Few others that I got from Cars 3. You could say this is Cars 3 because this is Fillmore. Now we're on. This is just one ordinary old Fillmore. This is actually a glow-in-the-dark Fillmore. So I'm going to hold it up against the light for a few minutes and get my next car, which is, I don't know what to show next. I guess Andy Gearsdale, because, I mean, I don't have the actual cancelled one. I'm like, some people. And of course they have to get all the variations of the Andy Gearsdale. But if you want an Andy Gearsdale, just literally buy the £10 one on eBay. Maybe 20, depends on how much he is. Just buy that one, because the cancelled one, people won't pay that much more for it, because you could literally buy one for 20 quid. I mean, who would buy the cancelled one? I'll buy the factory custom one. Anyways, back to the Fillmore now. It does glow in the dark. I don't know if you can see it, but it does glow. I guess I'll try and get a picture of it at the end of the video for you guys. But yeah, turn back on the light now. Another one from Cars 2 is the Sergeant High Gear. Of course, this is the plastic helmet made in China. A factory custom, pretty cool. I'm not sure if they still produce this one. But if they do, I'd get it before it sells out, because the other one does have a furry hat from the Super Chase line. So this one doesn't. I've got 2 Surfing John Lasseter tyres. I believe one is very dusty. Well, they are dusty because I don't really dust my cars that often. But one's metallic and one's not. This one is the not released one. It does have a code though. Even though, yeah. You guys can tell that I'm not really bothered in uploading anymore. I just really can't be bothered making videos. But I'm doing it for you, the guys that want to still watch. But yeah, anyways, not going to talk about that. Got some Lightning McQueens here now. We got the white, blue and yellow Lightning McQueen from World Grand Prix. All of these are factory customs. Notice how the blue and white one don't have mouth plates. But the yellow one does, as you can see. Of course, I recently did get 2 of these. I think the blue and the white one. So check out my review on that factory custom bundle that I bought. And here's the yellow one. One of my favourite Lightning McQueens is the gold factory custom. Not worth that much. Yep, spoiler. Pretty cool. All gold. Speaking of other gold cars or Lightning McQueens, I did recently get this gold one as well. Same shade of gold. You can see my face, but oh well. Pretty cool. And we've got some other gold cars. We've got Sally. We've got the King. And we've got Dinoco Chick Hicks as gold cars. I love the King. The King is probably the most rarest one out of the lot here because, you know, never see any on eBay anymore. Even Dinoco Chick, because they never really made a normal Chick gold. But I love the King. I want to do a review on this badly, but I'm worried I might show my face. Yep, Sally. They were all £3 by the way, guys, if you were interested in the prices. Here's a really cool one. We've got a chromed Lewis Hamilton. Factory custom from a while ago. Got this about a year ago now as well, actually. Really sweet. The bumper's not chrome and the eyes are not chrome. It's a bit... reminds me of Thailand, actually. Because if Thailand still had like the mouth plates, they wouldn't do them in a metallic paint. Yeah, Lewis Hamilton is my favourite character or racer, or Grand Prix racer. So I had to get my hands on one of these. I didn't pay that much, but yeah. Number 1, silver Lightning McQueen. So basically the exact same mould, just silver instead of gold. Pretty sweet. Do like these, actually. One that I'm not too particularly happy with, but again, it's a factory custom. They could have done a better job of it, but factory customs are factory customs. Yeah, look at the decals on that. That's just absolute rubbish. Speaking of this model McQueen, actually, there is actually this one that I do have as well, the Star Wars one, which is the factory custom too. I do have the original, but this is just a factory custom. Even it clearly says FAC there. But yeah. And there's that one. Going on to this Lightning McQueen now. We've got a cop Lightning McQueen. Pretty sweet. Reminds me of Lieutenant Lightning McQueen. Just remove the spoiler and then boom, there you go, Lieutenant Lightning McQueen. But I want to keep the spoiler on mine. If I ever do get a second one, I might do that actually. And we've got 2 Chick Hickses in Ramsburg and Baby Blue, I guess. Paint jobs. Pretty cool. I believe there is a red Ramsburg Chick Hicks that's actually been released before. But these are just factory customs again. My favourite is the blue. I actually do like it quite a lot. But yeah, that does end this video for you guys. Got a lot of cleaning up to do. Got to make a thumbnail. You can see. This is today's video. I hope you do all enjoy. Next week, I don't know what I'm going to be recording. If I do get things wrong in this video, and if I get facts wrong, don't bother commenting them, because I'll just remove the comment, because I don't give a about what people have to say. I'm not an expert on this stuff. Yeah. Anyways, if you're new, please make sure you leave a like, subscribe, hit that bell notification down below. Until the next one, peace guys.